Dinosaurs, those giant creatures that dominated the Earth for millions of years. There are 700 pieces of information we now know about species of extinct dinosaurs. While there's a lot of dinosaurs, there's also more that we didn't know and did not discover until now. Of course, you may have watched dinosaur movies before and were curious about these giant reptiles, how they were, where they went, why they extinct, what's the biggest dinosaur, what is the smallest dinosaur, and so on. All that and more we will talk about in today's video. Interesting facts about dinosaurs that you may not have known before. Number 1. Not all dinosaurs lived during the same geological period. Contrary to what the majority of people think, not all dinosaurs lived during the same geological period. That means not all species lived at the same time together. For example, Tyrannosaurus rex, aka T-Rex, lived about 72 million years ago during the late Cretaceous period, while Stegosaurus lived about 150 million years ago during the late Jurassic period. That means that the two dinosaurs lived in different period and not together like you see in movies. Number 2. Meat eaters didn't chew. When you think of a creature eating, you probably picture them cutting their food then chewing it. But this wasn't the case with meat eaters like the T-Rex, as most theropod dinosaurs had sharp, pointed, serrated, and slightly curved teeth that they used to pierce their prey and shred and tear the meat and swallow the whole chunks without chewing it. Number 3. Plant-eating dinosaurs ingested stones. Plant-eating dinosaurs had various shapes of teeth depending on their diet or what they ate. For example, long-necked dinosaurs such as Diplodocus had long pencil-like teeth that they used to collect and grab leaves of the branches. Another example of plant-eating dinosaurs is the Anatodian, which had wide flat teeth that they used to grind up tough vegetation and plants. These plant-eating dinosaurs ingested the leaves as whole without chewing, and instead they ingested small stones called gastroliths to help grind up food in their stomachs. Number 4. Birds are dinosaurs. During the Mesozoic era, which included the Jurassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous periods that extended for more than 180 million years, some species of non-avian dinosaurs evolved into a new species of avian dinosaur, and those avian dinosaurs are precursors of all birds. Modern birds found to have skeletal features that are almost identical to some non-avian dinosaurs, and scientists also found that feathers evolved before flight, and may have been used as a way to attract mates or to help keep their bodies warm. Although not every avian dinosaur went extinct about 66 million years ago, flying dinosaurs, also known as modern birds, still live among us. Number 5. You can know a lot about a dinosaur from their footprint. From a single footprint, scientists can know a lot about the dinosaur who made it, such as the dinosaur's height and his kind. For instance, a footprint with three-toed, sharp claws means that the footprint maker was likely a theropod, and usually a carnivore. But a footprint with three-toed print with rounded toes probably means that the footprint belonged to an orthopod dinosaur, which is a herbivore dinosaur. We came to the end of today's video after we talked about dinosaurs and learned many useful and new stuff. On top of which is that there were about 700 species of dinosaurs and not all of them lived in the same era or time together as we see in many movies. And also that modern birds can be considered a type of dinosaurs, and that you can tell a lot about a dinosaur from its footprint, such as its height and its kind, and that the longest and heaviest dinosaur that lived on land was Argentinosaurus, and that the oldest known dinosaur was Saltopus, who lived 245 million years ago. Amazing facts, isn't it? Follow us and subscribe to our channel to receive all new videos. See you next time with some cool new facts.